Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be comparing the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone and the ZealSound USB microphone. Both of these mics are popular choices among content creators, and we will be evaluating them based on various categories. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. When it comes to setting up these microphones, both are fairly easy to use and compatible with various devices. However, the FIFINE microphone has a direct plug and play connection with PCs and laptops, whereas the ZealSound microphone requires additional adapters for iPhones, Type-C phones, iPads, and Android tablets. Therefore, the FIFINE microphone wins this category for ease of use and compatibility. Both of these microphones offer good sound quality, but the FIFINE microphone stands out with its wider frequency response and ability to handle high SPLS with ease. The cardioid condenser capsule on the FIFINE microphone offers crystal clear audio, whereas the ZealSound microphone has a professional gain knob for adjusting microphone volume and sensitivity. In terms of sound quality, it's a tie between the FIFINE and ZealSound microphones as they both have their unique features. Both microphones come with accessories such as a desktop mic boom arm stand, shock mount, and pop filter. However, the arm set on the FIFINE microphone is sturdier and more versatile, and it has a low-profile design for recording and podcasting or making dubbing sounds for videos. The ZealSound microphone has an LED indicator to show whether it's working or not. When it comes to durability and accessories, the FIFINE microphone wins this category hands down. The FIFINE microphone is priced at $49, whereas the ZealSound microphone is priced at $28. Although both of these microphones are excellent choices for content creators, the ZealSound microphone offers good value for money. Therefore, ZealSound takes the lead in this category for being an affordable yet decent quality microphone. And that concludes our comparison video of the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone and the ZealSound USB microphone. Both of these mics have their unique features, and it depends on your personal preference and budget. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching.